As the final hours of the year unfold, prepare to dazzle with a makeup look that matches the night's sparkle. In the midst of our festive setting, primer is our first step to ensure our radiant look lasts till dawn. With our canvas primed, we are ready to bring the sparkle to our eyes. Eyes are the window to the soul, and tonight, they'll be the stars of the show. Let's bring them to life with a symphony of golds, silvers and blacks swept across the eyelids. A secret tip: use a damp brush to intensify the sparkle, perfect for the night's festivities. The drama escalates with a sleek winged eyeliner, paired with voluminous lashes, each stroke adding to the evening's allure. With our eyes sparkling, it's time to bring a radiant glow to our skin. As our eyes shine, our skin glows in the night's festivities. The foundation with a radiant finish is brushed on, creating a flawless base. A rosy blush adds a warm, festive cheer, while a sweep of highlighter captures the light, reflecting the night's sparkle. Now, for the lips. Bold and beautiful, they're painted in shades of red or deep plum, making a statement of elegance and celebration. With our makeup complete, it's time to add the final touches of glamour. With our makeup done, we turn to our outfits and accessories, the icing on the cake. Picture this: a dress that shimmers in sequins or gleams in metallics, as comfortable as it is glamorous, perfect for a night of dancing. Now, imagine adding the finishing touches with bold, statement accessories, a pair of sparkling earrings or a glittering necklace that catches the light just right. With our look complete, we are ready to step into the new year with style and grace. As the final look comes together, confidence shines from within, ready to welcome the new year. With an unmatched blend of style and grace, the promise of endless possibilities awaits. Happy New Year! May your night be filled with celebration, style, and unforgettable memories.